In our spiritual journey, we are like pure light passing through a prism, retracted into 7 dimensions, just like light splits into 7 colors. These 7 aspects correspond to the 7 chakras, which govern different energies of our mind, body, and spirit. When fragmented, we're not fully aligned and our flow of energy is restricted. But as we work to balance and integrate these 7 pieces, our mental, physical, and spiritual selves, we approach a state of wholeness and divine alignment. The number 7 appears across spiritual traditions and cosmic systems, representing completion and divine order. We see this in the 7 chakras, the energy centers of the body, the 7 planets, the celestial influences over life and consciousness, the 7 colors of the rainbows, the refractions of light into separate frequencies, the 7 days of the week, the cycles of time and creation. Each of these patterns reflect a division of energy, a breaking down of a whole into parts. Just as pure light is split into separate frequencies, when it passes through a prism, we too experience fragmentation in our spiritual and energetic form. But when we unite these aspects, we tap into the purest form of energy, 0-point energy, the state of infinite potential where all things are possible. Each chakra is a vortex of energy that corresponds to specific aspects of our life, emotions, and consciousness. When blocked, we experience fragmentation, limitations, and disharmony. But when they are balanced and cleansed, we experience alignment, clarity, and heightened spiritual abilities. The first chakra is a root chakra. Its planetary influence is Saturn, which is the foundation, structure, and discipline. When blocked, you feel fear, insecurity, instability, and survival struggles. When balanced, you feel grounding, stability, and feeling safe in your world. The psychic abilities connected to this is clear feeling, clear sentence, heightened survival instincts. The second chakra is orange, is sacral, and the planet connected to that is Mars, which is passion, desire, and raw energy. When blocked, its creative energy is blocked, emotional instability, and suppressed desires. When it's balanced, it flows of creativity, emotional balance, and healthy relationships. The emotion connected to this is intuition, telepathic connection through emotion. The third chakra is yellow, and this is the solar plex. It's connected to the sun and your personal power, will, and identity. When blocked, it has lack of confidence, powerlessness, and indecision. But when it's balanced, it has strong will, confidence, and clear purpose. The manifestation power connected to this is sensing energy shifts in others. The fourth one now is the heart chakra. It's green. The planet connected to this is Venus for love, connections, and beauty. The emotions are blocked. These are emotional walls, lack of compassion, and inability to trust. When unblocked, there's love, connection, harmony, and forgiveness. The heart-centered intuition, ability to sense truth and deception comes from this chakra. The next chakra is the third chakra, which is blue. It's connected to Mercury, which is communication, intellect, and messages. When blocked, you feel fear of speaking, dishonesty, lack of self-expression. When open, there's clear communication, authenticity, and personal truth. When this is open, it's channeling clear audience. You can hear clear spiritual messages. The next one is the third eye, which is the color of indigo. This is connected to the planet of Jupiter, which is expansion, wisdom, and higher learning. When this is blocked, you have confusion, lack of insight, disconnection from intuition. When it's unblocked, you have clear intuition, deep insight, and spiritual awareness. This is connected to clear seeing, prophetic visions, and deep perception and psychic vision. And the last one is white. This is the crown chakra, and this is connected to the moon, which is connected to spirituality, subconscious, and divine connection. This is when it's blocked, you have disconnection from source, lack of purpose, and feeling lost. When balanced, you have spiritual enlightenment, unity, consciousness, and divine connection. This is connected to divine knowing, direct connection to the higher realms. When all chakras are aligned and energy flowing freely, mind, body, and spirit works as one, creating perfect harmony. This state allows us to access our highest potential, where psychic abilities become natural extension of our awareness rather than rare gifts. In a fragmented state, we're like light split into 7 pieces, each representing a different frequency of consciousness and experience. But when we reconnect these pieces, we return to a state of unity, where all energies flow freely and seamlessly. This is a point of 0 point energy, a state of infinite potential, where our true manifestation power is unlocked. The key to this transformation lies in the integration of mind, body, and spirit, a theme found in many spiritual traditions, including Christianity, African spirituality, and esoteric wisdom. These 3 aspects of our beings are the vessels through which we experience and express our divine essence. The body houses the energy of our chakra, the mind directs the flow, and the spirit connects to the divine. Is the guiding force that leads us back to our original undivided state. As we align our mind, body, and spirit, we return to pure light of our being. This is our true manifestation, whole, connected, and full of divine potential. When we transcend fragmentations and operate from our highest, most unified state, we become creators of our reality, attuned to the infinite energy that has always been within us. By cleansing and balancing our chakras, we not only restore personal harmony, but also awaken dormant abilities that have always been a part of us. The process of integration is not just about personal enlightenment. It's about returning to our full creative power, where our energy is no longer scattered, but fully aligned with the infinite fields of existence. The journey of 0 point energy is a journey back to our true form, pure, undivided, and limitless. This is Makalasi. Thanks for listening. Peace.